Hello friends, welcome to the digital presentation part 6. In this session we will learn about how we can work with slides. We will learn how we can insert new slides. We will learn about inserting a duplicate slide, copying and moving slides, deleting and renaming slides in a presentation. So first we have to learn about inserting new slides. New slides can be inserted by clicking on the insert menu and then clicking on the slide. You can see one new slide, slide 3 has been inserted here. Secondly, new slide can also be inserted by right clicking in the slides pane and then you can click on new slide. So this is also how a new slide can be inserted. New slide, no, this is not a slide, this is a presentation. So there are two ways you can insert new slide, one by clicking on insert menu and then by clicking on slide, and another in the slides pane you can right click and click on new slide. Then you can insert a duplicate slide. Inserting a duplicate slide means you can make copy of an existing slide. If you want two slides exactly similar, then you can insert a duplicate slide. Before inserting duplicate slide, you have to take care that whichever slide you want to make duplicate, that must be the selected slide. So from the slides pane, you select the slide which you want to make duplicate. Suppose I want a duplicate slide of slide 1. So I have first selected it and then I am want to insert and then I am clicking on duplicate slide. So you can see there are two slides which are exactly same. Therefore slide 2 is duplicate of slide 1. Duplicate of slide 1 is created, which is slide 2. So in order to create a duplicate slide, first we need to select it. For example, here I am selecting the third slide. Then after selecting the slide which you want to make duplicate, click on insert menu and then click on duplicate slide. So here you can see slide 4 is duplicate of slide 3. Then we come to copying and moving slides. You can very easily copy any slide. For example, let me make it a bit different. Okay, we are talking about copying and moving files. Before we copy or move a file, I am trying to paste a picture or photograph here so that it can be a bit different. Let's take it. See, a photo is inserted here. Now this slide will look different from other slides. Now see, this is slide number 2 and what I want to do, I want to copy this slide. It's very easy. I can right click on this slide and then I can click here copy and then I can paste this slide. If I select any slide and press Ctrl C, then also it is getting copied. So either you can press Ctrl C or you can right click on the slide and click on copy. So this is how you can copy, and wherever you want to paste it, you can paste it by keeping the mouse pointer there and right click and clicking on paste, or by pressing Ctrl V. Wherever your mouse pointer will be, there it will be pasted. So it's simple as we copy and paste other things. That is how a slide can be copied and pasted. Moving slide means you can cut a slide and paste it somewhere else. For example, if I am trying to move, I want to move 7, so first I will cut it and then I will move it at the bottom. There I will paste it. So slide 7 has gone at the bottom. Similarly, this blank slide 8, I may either cut it, or what I can do, simply I can drag it to the bottom of the slide pane. So you can simply drag it, or you can cut it and paste it. So that is how you can move a slide from its existing position to any other position. Then comes deleting and renaming slides in a presentation. Alright, suppose I want to delete slide 3. What I can do, in the slides pane, I can click on the slide 3, I can select it, right click and then click on delete slide. That slide will be deleted. Again I am deleting one more slide. So now you can see there is only one slide with the picture here. Other two duplicate slides have been deleted. You can also press del after selecting the slide. If you select the slide and simply press del from the keyboard, then also the slide will get deleted. Renaming slides, click on right, select the slide which you want to rename, click on rename slide and write its name, for example title slide. Okay, rename slide 2, we can say details, or any name which is suitable for you. You can give slide a name if you want to name your slide. So this is how you can rename the slides and you can delete the slides. Thanks for watching the video. Wish you good luck.